Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and behind the camera is Marcel, my husband, and beside me is Ricky. Right, so if you have been following us, you would remember Ricky, right? Infamous Ricky. So he's visually impaired. The porridge man, right?
Right. The Irish man.
Yeah, you see how much names, so I know by now you would have remembered. But before we get into the video, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe to the channel. So once we post a new video, you will be updated. And we are outdoor. We are at where Ricky's house is being is to be constructed, because we would have been working on his foundation. So we're kind of under the shade because it's really hot today. But in a little while we'll go out to where we were working on the foundation, so we can explain a few things. But Ricky, how have you been? Because this is the first time since the hurricane that we are seeing you. Because guys, on the day of the hurricane, when the rain started, we were at Ricky's.
Yes.
Yes, and a lot happened. I soon get into what happened on that day. But let me ask you, how was the hurricane?
Oh my man, I tell you, say, easy. And if I want easy, hurricane blow, man, and but me give thanks to me alive. Yes. Give thanks to me alive, because I could have worse.
You could have been worse.
Give God thanks to me alive.
Yes. So Ricky, when we were there, on the day of the hurricane, guys, the rain started.
Yeah.
I started getting scared and was running out, and he's like, no, you can't run out in the rain. You have to stay until the rain stops. So I was saying, no, I have to go out if the rain don't stop.
True.
But in the midst of everything, what was holding us up was the fact that his phone stopped working.
Yes.
And we were supposed to check by the house to see if it is that we had any phone that he could use. So, the Lord worked in mysterious ways, because, a donor of ours from England would have sent us a barrel, and out of that barrel, there was a phone. Right, there were 2 phones, and so as a result of that, Ricky, we're here today to present that phone to you. Yeah. One of them.
Yes.
So you see how God worked for you.
God, man, is an excellent God, man.
Yes,
awesome
man.
God.
Yeah,
God
so
is good.
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
All right, and so we'll set up that phone in a little while for Ricky,
man.
and also Ricky, we brought you a package.
Yes.
It's right here, and these are things from the barrel as well.
Yes,
that the donor wanted us to give to you.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, the phone in there. Okay.
God bless him.
All right, let me take it. Yes.
Blessed people,
Yes, man, absolutely.
Blessed.
Hold on. All right. Trying to find the phone. All right, so see it here, Ricky.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have your charger here.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And then you have some grocery items here, which you can check out in a little while.
Yes.
All right. So
God bless you. God
yes,
bless you.
man,
God
absolutely.
Bless
We have to say thanks to the donor.
Yes,
thanks
man.
a million.
God bless them. God bless them. Blessing.
Yes.
Pray for them. Just pray for them. God keep them.
Absolutely.
Because them so good.
Yes.
Me say, man, I tell you still, me I tell you the truth. So Jamaican, when they call them, they respect them.
Yes.
Oh God, man, me I tell you, Jamaican is so good set of people.
Absolutely.
Good people, man. I tell you. Oh my God, man, all the world me have to talk. So Jamaican, man, you have some nice, good Jamaican people.
Yes.
They be so nice. Oh God, man, it's a blessed people. Oh God, man, me I tell you. Trust me, blessed people.
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
You always say it.
Oh, God, man, you have some Jamaican, them bless, man. Oh, God, man, God help them. God provide for them if you help. The the unfortunate we can't manage.
Yes.
And I thank God for them.
Yes,
God
man.
blessing.
Absolutely.
It's a blessing.
Absolutely. So Ricky, we would have been working on your foundation for a couple of months now.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
About now in March or April?
I think so. I think Mother's Day, it was May.
May, yes.
Mother's Day was when we were here.
Yeah.
And we started.
Yes.
And so guys, we would have, completed to a level, because we are just building the foundation so that we can have an agency come and put the house on. However, we have met up on a little roadblock. Right? So you care to explain from there, Ricky?
Yeah. Yeah, man, we meet up on a little roadblock, help, like more help If you do the, you know, if you do the foundation, the foundation almost full up already.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
and a foundation for deck off and you know.
All right, so because what needs to be done, come with me, Ricky. All right, what needs to be done, guys, is that, you know, we would have done the foundation to a level, which you'll see in a little while, but it needs to fill up now with material, stones and maybe dirt and so on, and then we need to, you know, we need resources so we can actually do the flooring.
Yes.
Right, so this is where we are. And so if, you know, there's anyone out there who is watching this video and you're in a position where you can assist in any way at all, you know, just to assist us so we'll be able to complete the foundation, we ask for you to reach out to us at 876-512-4055. And any help we get will be greatly appreciated.
I well need it.
Yeah.
Me need it.
Yeah.
You know, me need it. Me don't want like, oh, me need it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Yeah, I remember one cocoa full basket. So anything, so
guys.
Yeah.
Any little thing.
Yeah.
You know, any little thing, you know. Any little thing we can turn things around. You know, cause we can, you know, just bring up things together and do what we can do.
Yes, man.
You know, by the help of God, you know.
Yes, and also want to use the opportunity to thank all the persons who
and thank all the person who help.
Yes, would have assisted us so far.
Oh God, man.
Yes.
I tell you, it's a
lot of work would have gone into it, and so we are thankful to everyone.
And thank for everyone who help, and God bless you, God bless. You know.
All right. Yes, so Ricky.
I love you and God bless you. I love you, man. Love Jamaican people. Yes. You know, and love you, Michelle and Miss Michelle and Mr. Zelly. It was, you know, God bless you. It's a blessing. It's a blessing.
Right, no problem, man.
It's a
You're more than welcome. All right, so Ricky, we're going to fix up the phone for you after this.
So anybody out there can help me, you know. Me need a little foundation. Me need a little house for myself. You know? Me need a little place for myself. You know, more say when you have a place for yourself, you're kind of more comfortable more.
Yes.
You know, I'm just ask you a little help.
All right.
To just finish up the foundation, and when the foundation finish up, you know, say the house will come and put on.
Yes.
So I just ask you a little help.
All right.
Need a little help. I need a little help. You know.
All right. Well said. All right, guys. With that said, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Yeah.